Okay, this is a quick instructional video on what to expect on this style of fencing. This is a 6-foot tall horizontal stepped fence, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the step, but this is built with cedar and metal postmaster post. Just real quickly, if you look here, this is the gate area, and we're going to look at the back of the gate too, so please just watch this whole video. So if you look here, we try to spread the dirt and the rock out as much as possible. When we do install this, we do have dirt come up. It takes some time for this to recuperate. Just looking at the gate here, it's normal to have this kind of gap in your gate. We do this on all gates because this gate is going to move some, and we need this gate to function long term. As far as your stepping goes, if you do a step, if you look, we don't determine where the fence steps. So the ground determines where the fence steps. So it may step differently on this side that it does the other side, and then in the back it may step differently because we only step where the ground goes up. So we're going to go 6 foot tall, and as soon as we can't go any more and that ground starts going up, then that's where we'll step it, and then we'll take that as far as we can, and then we'll step it again. So I just want to mention the ground determines where the step is going to be. Just to notice here, this is a 6 foot picket turned upside down so you can see the dog ear on the bottom. And let's walk inside, take a look real quick. So because this is a postmaster post, you can't see the post after. So we cover up all the posts on the inside, which is a real nice look. Again, I would just bring your attention here to the dirt here. Just when you're having construction done on your property, it takes some time for your property to recuperate. On the back of your gate, depending on how your gate's set up, not always will we use this kind of post, but on this particular one we did. And then the framing here, because it's horizontal, is framed up like this, and that's how the back of your gate looks. And again, you can kind of see the gap here in your gate. So let's just walk here real fast. Again, on top, 1x4 on top. We do try to spread the dirt as much as possible. Sometimes, depending on the dirt condition, it doesn't spread real well. Because of this style of fence, we can fill in the bottoms a little bit better than following the ground, but I'll just bring your attention to this area here. You can look here. We could only go so far with this board, so you have a gap here, and if this is something that bothers you, you would want to fill that in with dirt after, so you can still have spacing underneath your fence here, just because of the way that the ground is. We'll walk up, look at this double gate. Again, your particular project, if it has metal gate frames, things like that, we may change up the way that these posts look. But this is your double gate here on a horizontal fence, and again, you have your gap here. There's your drop rod. In most cases, with your drop rod, we're putting a little metal pipe here to try to catch that drop rod. If you are having a double gate installed on your driveway that needs a drop rod, we will simply just drill a hole in the concrete. No metal pipe or anything, it's just a place for that drop rod to sit. And then I'll just let you look at this real quick, and we'll look at this side. So that's what to expect, and you can see on this side the step is less on this side than it is the other. And that's what to expect with this style of fencing. Thank you.